Welcome back to TuTube. Now, Lynchy first exploded on the scene when his bus stop rapping video went viral. Well, he has just signed his first ever record deal and collaborated with Rainy Boy Sleep, and I caught up with the pair of them.
When you give him a chance, make sure you walk right, and don't forget to stand underneath the spotlight. You do anything and everything to show them what you got. Now I'm on stage, it's worldwide, no more bus stops.
MC Lynchy and Rainy Boy Sleep, guys, thank you so much for coming in. Reason obviously that we're having chat both of you together because you've been working on a tune, so fill me in.
It's out in the radios, I'm sure everyone has heard. It's called Spotlight, and it's featuring Rainy Boy Sleep, otherwise known as Stevie, the man to my right.
But like, did you guys know each other before, or you literally just kind of met when you were in the studio?
We were all just kind of thrown together, and we just started to talk and throw out ideas, and then all of a sudden we came up with the song, and Stevie and I banged it out in 2 days, and it was fully recorded in 2 days, and then there was had to be a bit of touch up, but there was a lot of work done in those 2 days.
Tell me, what's the response been like then whenever you get home to Limerick? Are they the kind of classic Irish begrudgers, or are they kind of patting you on the back?
I know everyone from Limerick now would know who I am because I'm from Limerick, like. But they wouldn't see. They wouldn't give me the special treatment.
Yeah.
But if credit is due, they'll give it to me. Like the lads would turn around and they'd be like, "Oh, that's mad, well done." And
Totally.
Yeah, but
Tell me how you getting on with the ladies these days.
all right, exceptional, exceptional.
Exceptional, I love it.
Taking it back, breaking it back, straight from the start. Cause I ain't going nowhere, baby, I ain't breaking your heart. Sent them your CD saying, yo, what do you reckon? Your perseverance is priority, never settle for second. Make sure they know your name and they don't know your game. Forget about the money, honey's all about the fame. But we still going hard, call me the running back. Don't worry about nothing because, son, I'll be coming back.
Back to the single. So tell me about the kind of the topic and why you decided to go with that topic.
A few days before we wrote the song, I looked up Jack's Facebook profile, and he wrote about the struggles that he was going through, and we based the song around that.
Okay. So much has changed since people basically saw you freestyling at the bus stop in Limerick. Were you in school when all that was happening?
I was finishing. Well, I was halfway through, just started the Leaving Cert.
Yeah.
And as I said on TuTube before, I stuck to the homework and the gigs and all that were around the weekend. Education is key. Don't forget your education.
Absolutely.
And but yeah, it took off. There's a lot of stuff coming up now, gigs and radio interviews and way more business. Used to be a lot more relaxed last year than the year before. But
got your business cap on.
Now we're getting down to things and...
Make your voice heard, make it sound loud. We breaking barriers, baby, without a doubt now.